want to do you know? NEWLINK on the attack now. Bling a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Yeah, bless up my people. Big up. Don't know the thing go. Right now I know the quality of the video now, so 100 people. You understand? Yeah, the quality and because a different device I use right now. So sorry about the quality of this video, people. But I decide so I have to do that thing right now, people. I have to talk about this right now. And I don't have my other device right now. My camera have to use right now, so I'm going to use this device now. Because I have to make the words when I go talk now go out there, people. Zine? Because, bro, people too wicked. Honestly. I feel it now, my people. Zine? I'm not joke thing with this now. Right? Because I news I reach NEWLINK now, people. Zine? About something happening in a center in a place where them call them Woodstock people. You know what I mean? And me I go tell you now, people, yo, I cannot believe how people so cruel, you know. But yo, boy, me I tell you now, my people. Me I tell you. Me sorry, my face TV show good right now, you know. Alright, but here I go on now, my viewers and my subscribers, right? They said that apart, as me telling you, Woodstock there, see, an 18-year-old girl, people, was found by a farmer. You know what I mean? That a Tuesday gone. Found by a farmer, people, after she was stabbed several times and her throat partially slashed, people. You know what I mean? She found it there, but she never died, people. You know what I mean? Several stabs, so them rush her, carry her hospital, people. And when the police then did, and family members was there, people, the girl managed to speak. She managed to talk and name 3 of the attackers who do this to her, people. You understand? She managed to call out them name. But unfortunately, on the Thursday, she succumbed to her injuries, people. May her soul rest in peace. And she's just 18 years old. And them say one of this man that this girl name out is a ex. Is a man where she and him used to date before, people. And she named him out as one of the attackers. Eh? What kind of heart these men have now? What this girl could have done to this man? 18 years old. Eh? Before, you see the thing is now, mankind is just lack of Christ. Mankind is lack of God. Because remember, you know, people, when I was younger and I was smaller, you know, the fear of mankind did having a God, you know, people, it's like them not have it no more, you know, because anything we do, people, you know what we used to say? If me cuss a bad word when me smaller, me used to say, Father God, forgive me. You understand? If me swear, me used to, you know me, remember them time, the people, there are several things what them say you know if you do. You know if you point up the side of the sky. You know if you understand how we used to be a God so much. Every time we go to class at school, we have devotion in the morning. There was so much godliness. Eh? But nowadays mankind just feel. Them not do it no more. With them not practice it no more, people. Zine? So what? The devil take over them soul. The devil take over their mind. The devil take over everything. Because all these men feel. If you do this to the little girl. Eh? All them feel. Only looking on yourself now. Eh? Uno people like Uno. If you go sit down in this and eat all taxpayers' money. When you all do things like this. Huh? Doing this to the younger generations. Come on, man. It is terrible, my people. I can't believe. Eh? And she fight her way out. She fight her way out to manage and speak and talk about the people who do this to her. She fight her way out. It's really terrible, my viewers and my subscribers. And I feel it to my heart. I say when I say that news of people, I say that story, I say I feel it to my heart. I'm decided to say, yo, you know what, NEWLINK, I have to share this with my viewers and my subscribers. No matter what, I have to share with them. Even though I'm not on my right device, but I go share it now, people, because it's terrible. Enough is enough now. Why these men keep on destroying our beautiful country? Look at our beautiful country down there, what we got. Look at our beautiful resources, them. Why these men doing this to all these young, nice females? Look how much nice females has been missing for how long and can't be found. Eh? Attack. No joke thing, man. Attack the NEWLINK. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe. People, all I have to say is, you know, remember, me are telling you this. Virgin, wicked man, cruel man, demonic man, satanic man, evil man, dog and junker. Listen to me. If you don't believe in a Christ, and you don't believe that a God is out there, remember NEWLINK, I tell you. There's one up above, and he will look down on all of us on earth, And they must see all of the wicked things that we are doing to our brothers and our sisters. And remember, time will tell. Remember me telling that. Some of you as my subscribers, they don't know the thing go. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. Let me say attack. It's sad. And my condolences to the family of this 18-year-old girl. And may as well rest in peace. And you wicked man, may you rest in hell. Blessings, people. Enough love, enough respect, peace. Attack. Them NEWLINK. I'm out. Big up.
Attack. What them a go do ya know? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.